Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sue Ralphs, and today I wanted to talk about wood finishes. If I've been working with dark wood, I always use general finishes, RMR, seal, and satin. I have used so many different type of finishes before, but looking for something that is faster, it's easy to apply, and have a beautiful, long lasting. I use in my oldest gaming table. I use in my door, my arch door, my mountain spire cabinet doors. I have been using this for a long, long time. I normally use this, like I said, in dark wood. The only time I will use this on light wood is when I'm mixing different wood tones in a scrap wood project, for example. Otherwise, I prefer something different for lighter pieces. For anything that's white, like maple, I would do ash, I would do maybe cedar. I'm not sure. I may would depend of what I would do. In white paint, I always use this water paint, water-based polyurethane. I use most of the time this brand. I use this for like 10 years already, and I'm still always go for this one. It's my favorite one. I use this in my dining table. The top of my dining table was like white. When I built our cabinet, our kitchen cabinets, when I painted our kitchen cabinets white, I wanted to match with the color of the wall. So I used the same wall paint color in my cabinets to paint. And I knew that would not last if it was just an eggshell, would not last. So I added 3 coats of this in my cabinet doors. And I promise you, that was like amazing. I did this. I even have a like accident when I was doing like a bitter, like a beet juice, and fell on the cabinet doors. I wiped it off and it was like nothing happened. So I totally recommend this one. It's just, I love this one. I also did it in my countertops, my wooden countertops. So after I finish my 3 coats, 4 coats, whatever coats you decide to do, I always finish with wax. I don't have a particular brand that I buy. I just give like 1 coat of wax because I feel like add extra durability and just make smooth. So I add the wax, I leave the wax for like a few minutes, and then I add this. But you don't have to use this to polish. This is for polishing. You can use a rag, you can use a rag and just do like circle motions. So this one here is where I can use for cutting boards, things like that. I do have all the things here that I use with my cutting boards if I want to go a little bit over the top, depending how special the project is, pretty much. But I normally use this one here, but the reason why I want to share this is something that I use like for years, and it started when I built my lounge chair. So I grabbed one of this at any big box store. I mean, literally you can buy this in any store. And then I add a little bit in every wooden furniture that I have in my house. I finished the chair 4 years ago. I added like a very nice wood finish, which was this one. And every year I just add a little bit of this with a rag, and then, like kind of a polish way, like kind of give it like a massage in my furniture, and just give it back to life and looks like I just finished. So this is my tip. I don't know if it's a tip. I don't know if it's like a normal thing that people do, but this is what I do. In my coffee tables, in my dining tables, doesn't matter how good the finish is, doesn't matter how amazing the piece is, I always use the coasters. Always use the coasters, always make sure to, if it's something fall on like a liquid or anything, any product that falls and make my piece dirty, I wipe right away. I don't wait for the next day, because if you leave, you sit for a while, may stain, and that's how they last longer. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you like this type of video so I can share more. See you in the next one.